There we go. Motor's about to go in. Ran into our first snag. Piece of shit battery. Piece of shit battery. Battery push should not do that.
You want me to do what?
You gonna be able to get that back far enough?
What, the bug? Yeah.
Okay, but Pop, you gotta watch out.
I want you to back up, Mom, and get all of what we're doing.
Okay, well we can't when you guys are all surrounded.
We're gonna have to. I mean, I can't maneuver around the camera to get the motor in.
Well, you want to record it, so.
Yeah. My shit is smooth. It's up as far as it's gonna go. Let's go. Ready? Sit. And there we go. And that's how we do it. Now back up a little bit. Back up. I gotta do the prison pose.
Get down there, E.T.
I get great,
Prison
man.
pose on that side. Come on.
The prison pose. Let's do it.
Oh, stop it.
Alright. You can stop or hit pause. Hit pause. Don't stop. Keep them on there.
It did. What's
Hard parts, man. I know you get cut into.
Get the feelings back, man.
Love you, baby.
Love you, baby. Now off to get a battery we go.
We're gonna go get a battery now.
Yes, thanks for your help, E.T. Otherwise we wouldn't have been able to do it.
Shit, that was the hardest part. Actually, that's probably the easiest
That was
part.
easier than getting it out.
Well, yeah, because you already know what the fuck they're doing.
Exactly. Love you. Just pause that. Don't stop it. Did you pause that?
Red button. Timer stops flashing.
Okay. Thank you. Now here, just hit the home button. Pause yours.